Hello. I am Steve. I started mobile car wash first and I am running car detailing shop now. Nice to meet you. I used to work for a travel agency for over 10 years. But the company had virtually zero sales for over a year due to COVID-19. Since I had worked there for over 10 years, I thought it's going to be a stable job. But due to the company restructuring, I was under the pressure to quit. Going through the COVID-19, I realized that working for someone isn't permanent and a secure way to make a living. That's when I decided to start my own business. That I can earn money as much as I work for. Opening a store in this economy felt frightening because of the high initial investment costs, including interior design, rent, labor costs, not to mention regular fixed expenses. Then, the mobile steam car wash got my attention because the steam car wash machine was the only major investment. I also used to detail my car as a hobby, and doing something I enjoy to make a living made sense. That's why I decided to start mobile steam car wash. I started mobile car wash first, and the most important factor for the business was the steam car wash machine. I researched steam car wash machines, and Optima Steamer caught my eyes because of its reputation. I chose the Optima Steamer because it has an easy user interface for beginners and it has superior performance. When I looked into the mobile car wash franchise, the minimum investment was around $20,000. Compared to that, starting a mobile car wash business with the Optima Steamer would only cost less than half of the investment. And it's a well-known and trustworthy brand, so there was no any headache. Optima Steamer has excellent performance. It's easy and intuitive to use, and provides quick and convenient customer service. Optima Steamer has superior performance. The steam pressure and volume didn't decrease even when used Optima Steamer continuously 24/7. With its powerful steam and rich volume, it's very easy to clean every corner of the car. I also liked that the Optima Steamer obtained all safety certifications. I don't need to worry about its safety because multiple safety devices installed prevent overheating and overpressure. And Optima Steamer uses certified parts, accessories. Optima Steamer has been designed for easy maintenance and quick repair. Optima Steamer customer service is very quick for my questions about Optima Steamer and maintenance, and I am very happy with the customer service. In addition, the Optima Steamer does not generate any wastewater. There is no additional cost for water treatment facility and complicated government's approval. Optima Steamer's design is very professional looking, adding a high-end feeling to my business. If you are considering to use steam cleaning machine, I definitely want to recommend Optima Steamer. And there are more than 100 accessories for different applications, which can open more doors to other cleaning industries in addition to car wash business at the same time. Thanks to the Optima Steamer, I started mobile car wash and have expanded to detailing shop. If you're looking for industrial steamer for your car wash business, I highly recommend the Optima Steamer. With the Optima Steamer, you can clean every corner of a car, and many customers are especially satisfied with its interior cleaning results. As you know, almost every household has a car, and it means there is a given and stable demands in this market. You can differentiate your business and run profitable business with Optima Steamer. I found the Optima Steamer during the most difficult time of my life, and it turned out to be my turning point. If you are considering starting your own business, I highly recommend the Optima Steamer for your own steam car wash business.